Today we'll change a computer screen from this to this. To begin, import your two videos. Put the monitor video at the lower track and the on-screen video on the upper track. Press on Ctrl-D to adjust the length. For this project, I will set the length of each clip to 5 seconds. The next step is to go to Effects, open FX, and then look for Transform. Drag that effect into the on-screen video clip, then go to the Inspector panel and change the control mode to Interactive Canvas. Next, activate the Open FX overlay, and then drag the corners of the on-screen video to match the monitor's edges. Turn off the Open FX overlay to check for alignment. As you can see, there are some gaps here, so we need to fix that. Enable the Open FX overlay again, and make adjustments until you are satisfied. We are now ready for the final check. And that is how you create a change screen effect in DaVinci Resolve. Thank you for watching, and see you next week.